Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you in 1 hour turn white gray hair to jet black naturally and get rid of immature hair permanently and without any side effects, without henna or dyeing, and you will turn your hair to jet black naturally and you'll be amazed with the result. This magical oil works 100% and it's super effective in getting rid of white hair and gray hair, and it doesn't cause any side effects. It's all natural and will get you rid of this problem naturally. Even if you are young and you do have white and gray hair, this will work for you and will work for you even if you are over 50 years old. This still will work for you, my friends. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical remedy is bay leaves, and here I have the bay leaves cut into small pieces like so. Now we need to grind it fine. We need around 2 bay leaves and grind it fine into a grinder or just a food processor or any kind of grinder you do have, like that. After grind it fine like so, my friends, place it in a clean mixing bowl. Now we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of Johnson baby oil, and you can use any baby oil available for you. I'm using Johnson baby oil because I like it. Add 1 teaspoon of Johnson baby oil. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and if you don't have coconut oil you can add olive oil instead. It will get you the same results. Then, my friends, we need a magical ingredient, which is 2 capsules of vitamin E, and vitamin E nourishes the scalp naturally to get rid of white and gray hair. Get the capsule like so and cut it with a pair of scissors and add all the oil, extract all the oil in the capsule like so, or the soft gel. Now mix well the ingredients and leave it to soak in. Here is the key. You need to leave it to soak in for 48 hours or 2 days, around 2 days. Leave it to soak in for 2 days, and then, my friends, dip in your fingertips like so and apply in your hair, apply in the roots and massage the hair scalp with it, and then leave it for 1 hour. You will be amazed with the result. The hair will be in your scalp, the hair will get darken in color and you will achieve the jet black hair naturally. And my friends, then later wash it with room temperature water and mild shampoo and you will be amazed with the result, my friends. It turns white and gray hair to jet black naturally. This bay leaves works 100% and it's super effective.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.